Today we're going to take a look at this 1960 MGA, and you wouldn't know by looking at it, but this car was actually restored over 20 years ago and still just looks fantastic. This was a Oregon car for many decades and restored over the period of about 10 years from the late 80s, finished in 1999 and went to the Nationals that year in Lake Tahoe and took best in class. All mechanical systems were rebuilt. The car runs and drives great. It's easy to start. Turn the key, pull the choke. Oil pressure comes up. It's got great oil pressure. All the gauges work. So let's go for a drive. I've sold a lot of British cars over the last 20 years, and this MGA ranks right up there among the best. In fact, I actually made a video on YouTube, the top 10 British cars that I've sold. So if you like British cars, click on the link here on the right and check this video out. And if you like vintage cars in general, click here on the left to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.